Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever sat in front of your screen thinking, I know affiliate marketing works, but why isn't it working for me? You watch videos, you buy courses, you try chatgpt, but somehow, you're still stuck with no traffic, no sales and no clear direction. If that sounds familiar, then you need to watch this Affiliate Prompt Lab review, because this might be the missing piece most beginners never get. Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to break down Affiliate Prompt Lab, what it is, how it works, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth your money. No hype, no fake screenshots. Just a clear, honest review so you can decide for yourself. What is Affiliate Prompt Lab? Affiliate Prompt Lab is a done-for-you prompt system designed to help you use AI the right way for affiliate marketing. Instead of guessing what to write, what to promote, how to structure campaigns, how to get traffic, how to convert clicks into commissions, Affiliate Prompt Lab gives you ready-made, tested AI prompts that literally guide you step by step to build affiliate campaigns, even if you're brand new. Think of it like a blueprint plus shortcuts combined. Benefits: why this is different. Here's why Affiliate Prompt Lab stands out in the MMO space. No more guessing what to say, you're not starting from scratch anymore. The prompts tell AI exactly what to generate: emails, content, ads, pages, angles. Beginner-friendly even if you've never made a dollar online, this is designed to walk you from zero clarity right pointing arrow clear campaigns. Works across multiple platforms. You can use these prompts for email marketing, YouTube scripts, blog posts, social media content, sales pages and affiliate reviews. One system, many income paths. Saves massive time. Instead of spending weeks learning copywriting or strategy, you can generate usable campaigns in minutes. Inside Affiliate Prompt Lab, what you actually get. Proven affiliate marketing prompt frameworks, step-by-step prompt sequences, campaign building prompts, traffic prompts, conversion-focused prompts and scaling prompts. Each prompt is designed to force AI to think like a marketer, not a chatbot. That's the real power here. What this helps you do. Affiliate Prompt Lab helps you stop feeling overwhelmed, stop wasting money on random tools, build campaigns faster, get clarity on what actually works and take consistent action. This isn't a magic button, but it removes confusion, which is what kills most people online. When you grab Affiliate Prompt Lab, you also get these free bonuses, which make this a no-brainer. Bonus 1. Fast-track video walkthrough training. Get up and running in 20 minutes or less. Watch exactly how to go from a blank screen to a fully built affiliate campaign. Perfect even if you've never made a dime online. Bonus 2. Affiliate marketing for passive income, full course. Learn proven affiliate strategies directly from Dave Espino, one of Warrior Plus's top super affiliates. Real-world methods that actually convert, no fluff. Just what works. These bonuses alone are worth more than the product itself. Who this is for. Affiliate Prompt Lab is perfect if you are a beginner struggling with direction, an affiliate marketer using AI but not getting results, someone tired of information overload, and anyone who wants clarity plus speed. If you want shortcuts without understanding, this isn't for you. If you want structure and execution, it absolutely is. So, is Affiliate Prompt Lab worth it? If you want a clear, simple system to finally use AI for affiliate marketing the right way, then yes, it's worth it. And with the free bonuses included, this is one of the smarter tools in the make money online space right now. Click the link in the description below. Check out Affiliate Prompt Lab, unlock your bonuses and finally stop guessing your way to success. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next review.